The Tsavo ecosystem, nestled in the heart of Kenya, stretches across a breathtaking expanse of untamed wilderness. Here the land seems to go on forever, a tapestry of rolling savannas, dense thickets and ancient riverbeds, all woven together beneath the vast African sky. Tsavo is divided into two immense sections, Tsavo East and Tsavo West National Parks, each with its own unique character and natural wonders. Together they form one of the largest protected areas in Africa, covering over 22,000 square kilometers. Across these sweeping plains, herds of elephants, giraffes and antelope traverse the open grasslands, their silhouettes etched against the horizon. The sheer scale of Tsavo offers sanctuary to a dazzling array of wildlife, each species playing its part in the intricate web of life. The geography of Tsavo is a study in contrasts. Open savannas give way to dense riverine forests, while rugged hills and volcanic outcrops punctuate the landscape. These varied habitats create countless niches for plants and animals to thrive. The flora of Tsavo is as diverse as its terrain. Towering baobabs and umbrella-shaped acacias dot the plains, while resilient shrubs and grasses carpet the ground. After the rains, wildflowers burst into color, transforming the landscape into a living mosaic. Among the most remarkable inhabitants of Tsavo are its lions, famed for their distinctive lack of manes. These powerful predators move silently through the grass, their golden coats blending perfectly with the sun-baked earth. The climate here is unforgiving. Tsavo is known for its intense heat, with temperatures soaring beneath the relentless sun. During the hottest hours, animals seek refuge in the shade, conserving energy and water in a land where both are precious. Survival in Tsavo demands extraordinary adaptations. From the thick-skinned elephants to the nimble gazelles, every creature has evolved to endure the arid conditions, finding food and water where others might perish. The ecosystem is a living network of relationships. Herds of herbivores graze alongside flocks of birds, while predators and scavengers follow in their wake, each species dependent on the others for survival. Predators and prey are locked in a timeless dance, their lives intertwined in a delicate balance. Every day the drama of survival unfolds across the plains, shaping the destiny of all who call Tsavo home. Water is the lifeblood of Tsavo. The Galana River winds its way through the landscape, drawing animals from miles around to its nourishing banks. Here, life flourishes even in the harshest seasons. The rhythm of life in Tsavo is set by the seasons. As the rains return, the land awakens, and great herds migrate in search of fresh grazing. When the dry season comes, only the most resourceful survive. Every day and night the story of survival is written anew. From the smallest insect to the mightiest elephant, each life is a testament to the power and resilience of nature. The challenges are many: scarcity of water, fierce competition for food, and the ever-present threat of predators. Yet the animals of Tsavo endure, shaped by the land and climate into some of Africa's most remarkable survivors. Their resilience is a tribute to the ingenuity of life itself, a constant reminder of nature's ability to adapt and thrive against the odds. In Tsavo, the wild heart of Africa beats strong and free, its wonders waiting to be discovered by those who look closely and listen to the stories written in the land. In the heart of Tsavo, the lions reign as silent monarchs of the savannah, their presence commanding respect across the Golden Plains. These lions are instantly recognizable by their unique lack of manes, a striking adaptation to the relentless heat that bathes the land. Without the heavy mane, they move with greater ease through the dense thickets and open grasslands, their bodies built for endurance and stealth. Within the pride, a complex social structure unfolds. Males, though maneless, assert their dominance through displays of power and protectiveness, guiding the pride with silent authority. Lionesses, the true strategists, coordinate intricate hunts. They fan out in the tall grass, communicating with subtle glances and body language, encircling herds of buffalo or zebra with practiced precision. Each member of the pride has a role. Some drive the prey forward, others lie in wait for the perfect ambush. The hunt is a ballet of patience, strength, and unity, often ending in a swift, powerful takedown. In the shadows of the savannah, the hyenas emerge, cunning, adaptable, and ever watchful. Their reputation belies their true nature. Hyenas live in tightly knit clans, each led by a dominant female. Their social bonds are reinforced through constant interaction, grooming, playing, and vocalizing in a language of whoops, giggles, and growls. When the hunt begins, hyenas rely on their remarkable stamina. They can pursue prey for miles, working together to exhaust even the strongest animals. Their calls echo across the plains, coordinating movements and rallying the clan. Each vocalization carries meaning, from rallying cries to warnings of danger. When food is scarce, hyenas boldly approach lion kills, their numbers and determination often tipping the balance in their favor. These encounters are tense and explosive, with both species displaying their full strength and cunning in a battle of wills. The rivalry between lions and hyenas is ancient and fierce, each testing the other's resolve in a contest for survival. These confrontations are not only about food, but also about territory, dominance, and the right to rule the savannah. Hyenas, ever opportunistic, seize moments of distraction to snatch away precious meat, their teamwork and boldness often outmatching even the mightiest lions. Yet, when a hyena is caught alone, lions respond with swift aggression, defending their pride and their kill with unyielding force. This ongoing competition shapes every aspect of their lives, from the way they hunt, to how they raise their young, to the territories they claim. Despite their rivalry, both lions and hyenas are vital to the balance of Tsavo, each playing a unique role in the web of life. By controlling herbivore populations, they prevent overgrazing, allowing the grasslands to flourish and support countless other creatures. The intricate dance between these predators is a testament to the complexity of nature, where every behavior, every rivalry, and every alliance shapes the destiny of the wild. African wild dogs, also known as painted wolves, are among the most efficient hunters in the animal kingdom. Their striking coats, mottled with patches of black, brown, white, and yellow, make them instantly recognizable as they move in tight-knit packs across the open savanna. In the vast wilderness of Tsavo, these elusive carnivores are a rare but vital presence. Their packs, sometimes numbering up to 20 individuals, are built on a foundation of cooperation and unity, each member playing a crucial role in the survival of the group. When the hunt begins, the pack moves as one. Communication is constant. High-pitched twittering calls and body language signal the start of the chase. Each dog knows its place, weaving through the grasslands with remarkable coordination. The hunt is a masterclass in teamwork. Some dogs surge forward, driving a herd of antelope into confusion, while others flank the sides, anticipating the prey's desperate turns. The pack works to isolate a single animal, often targeting the young, old, or weak. Once a target is chosen, the wild dogs rely on relentless pursuit. Their stamina is legendary. Unlike the explosive sprints of lions, wild dogs can maintain high speeds for miles, wearing down their quarry until it collapses from exhaustion. Capable of reaching speeds up to 37 miles per hour, they chase their prey over long distances, their lean bodies built for endurance rather than brute strength. The chase can last for several minutes, with the pack seamlessly taking turns at the front, allowing tired members to fall back and recover. This relay-like strategy ensures that the pack maintains pressure on the fleeing animal. Their endurance hunting allows them to target a wide range of prey, from nimble impalas to young wildebeests. The wild dog's adaptability and persistence make them formidable predators, with a hunting success rate that often surpasses that of lions and hyenas. After a successful hunt, the pack's social bonds come to the forefront. The kill is shared among all members, with the youngest pups and injured adults given priority at the feast. This selfless behavior is rare among large predators. The social structure of the pack is based on cooperation rather than dominance. Disputes are rare, and harmony is maintained through constant communication and mutual care. At the heart of the pack is the alpha pair, the only members who breed, yet the entire pack is involved in raising the pups, guarding them, and bringing them food. This communal approach ensures the next generation's survival. Adults regurgitate meat for the pups and for any pack members unable to hunt, reinforcing the bonds that hold the group together. Life in the African wilderness is harsh, with drought, competition, and injury ever-present threats. But the wild dog's unity and adaptability allow them to endure even the toughest conditions. Their lives are not without conflict. Encounters with lions and hyenas are frequent. Lions, seeing wild dogs as rivals, will often attack them and their pups. Hyenas, Ever the opportunists attempt to steal kills, leading to tense standoffs where the wild dogs must defend their hard-earned meals. In these moments, the pack's unity is their greatest weapon. Working together, they can drive off even larger predators, using speed, numbers, and relentless aggression to protect their own. After such confrontations, the pack regroups, tending to any wounds and reaffirming their bonds through grooming and gentle nuzzling. Through their remarkable cooperation, hunting prowess, and resilience, African wild dogs play a vital role in the balance of their ecosystem, shaping the world of the savannah with every hunt and every howl. In the vast, sun-drenched plains of Tsavo, the African bush elephants move as a living tapestry, mothers, calves, and wise matriarchs weaving through the golden grass. Their low rumbles echo across the land, a language of deep connection and memory passed down through generations. As the largest land mammals on Earth, these elephants are architects of their world. Each step leaves an imprint. Each trunkful of leaves shapes the very landscape. They carve pathways through dense bush, open up waterholes with their powerful tusks, and create clearings that become havens for countless other creatures. Their days are spent in search of food, branches, bark, and lush grasses. As they feed, they scatter seeds and break branches, encouraging new growth and ensuring the savannah remains vibrant and alive. The rhythm of their foraging is the heartbeat of Tsavo's ecosystem. At the heart of every herd is the matriarch, her memory guiding the family to hidden water and safe passage. Calves play beneath the watchful eyes of their mothers, learning the ways of the wild, how to find food, how to greet a friend, how to mourn a loss. Their bonds are unbreakable, forged by years of shared journeys and challenges. In Tsavo, the elephants wear the land itself, their skins stained a deep rusty red from dust baths in the iron-rich soil. This ritual not only cools their bodies but also protects them from biting insects, a daily act of self-care beneath the African sun. Water is life, and the elephant's journey to the waterholes is a daily pilgrimage. Trunks dip and spray, calves splash and play, and the herd drinks deeply, sometimes consuming over 50 gallons in a single day. These gatherings are moments of peace and unity where the pulse of the savannah slows. The birth of a calf is a celebration, the result of a 22-month journey. Mothers nurture their young with gentle trunks, guiding them through the first uncertain steps of life. The herd surrounds the newborn, offering protection and wisdom, ensuring the next generation thrives. As dusk falls, the elephants gather beneath ancient acacia trees, resting and sharing quiet moments. Their presence shapes the land, their stories written in footprints and broken branches, their legacy intertwined with every living thing in Tsavo. In the quieter corners of Tsavo, the eastern black rhinoceros moves with deliberate grace. Solitary by nature, the rhino's world is one of silence and subtlety, its presence felt in the gentle rustle of shrubs and the soft thud of heavy feet on dry earth. The rhino's hooked lip is perfectly designed for browsing, plucking leaves and twigs from thorny bushes. Each meal is a careful selection, a slow and mindful process that shapes the vegetation and creates space for new growth. Though their eyes see little, the rhino's world is alive with scent and sound. Nostrils flare, ears swivel, and every shift in the wind brings news of distant herds or approaching storms. Their senses are their guides, helping them navigate the vast, unpredictable wild. The rhino's days are spent in quiet solitude, resting in the shade, marking territory with scent, and moving through the bush with a calm, steady purpose. Each rhino is a guardian of its own domain, a silent steward of the land. Both elephants and rhinos face challenges in their world: competition for food, the ever-changing climate, and the constant need to adapt. Their resilience is tested daily, yet they endure, shaping and sustaining the ecosystem with every action. Sometimes their paths cross, giants of different kinds sharing the same waterhole, moving through the same ancient forests. Their coexistence is a delicate balance, a testament to the interconnectedness of all life in Tsavo. In the end, the elephants and rhinos are more than just inhabitants of Tsavo. They are its lifeblood. Their daily lives, struggles and triumphs are woven into the fabric of the land, ensuring that the wild heart of Tsavo continues to beat strong for generations to come. In the heart of Tsavo, the Nile crocodile reigns as a silent and formidable predator, perfectly attuned to the rhythms of river and wetland. With eyes and nostrils positioned atop their heads, these ancient reptiles can remain almost entirely submerged, watching and waiting with an unwavering patience that has been honed over millions of years. Their lineage stretches back over 200 million years, making them living relics of a prehistoric world. Their armored scales, known as scutes, provide both protection and camouflage, blending seamlessly with the dappled light and shadows of the riverbanks. Along the banks of the Galana River, crocodiles lie in wait, motionless for hours, sometimes days, their bodies nearly indistinguishable from the muddy shoreline. This patience is their greatest weapon, allowing them to ambush prey that comes to drink or cross the water. When the moment arrives, the crocodile explodes from the water with astonishing speed, seizing its victim in powerful jaws lined with conical teeth. The infamous death roll follows, a violent spinning maneuver that disorients and subdues prey, ensuring nothing escapes their grasp. Beyond their prowess as hunters, crocodiles are vital to the health of Tsavo's waterways. By preying on the weak and the sick, they help maintain the balance of animal populations, and their scavenging habits ensure that no resource goes to waste. Feeding on fish, carrion, and even the remains of large mammals, crocodiles act as nature's clean-up crew, preventing the spread of disease and recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. Their presence at the intersection of land and water is a testament to the delicate balance that sustains Tsavo, where every species, from the smallest fish to the largest predator, plays a part in the intricate web of life. Roaming the sunlit savannas, the Secretarybird stands in stark contrast to the crocodile's aquatic world. With its long, stilt-like legs and striking crest of feathers, this terrestrial raptor is a vision of elegance and purpose, striding confidently through the tall grasses in search of prey. Unlike other birds of prey that soar above, the Secretarybird hunts on foot, its keen eyesight scanning the ground for movement. Its unique adaptations, long legs for speed and distance and a powerful beak, make it a formidable hunter in the open plains. The Secretarybird's most remarkable skill is its ability to hunt and kill venomous snakes. With lightning-fast kicks, it delivers precise, crushing blows, neutralizing threats that few other animals dare to confront. This specialized hunting technique not only provides food but also helps control snake populations, reducing danger for other animals and maintaining a safer environment for all creatures of the savannah. Together, crocodiles and Secretarybirds embody the extraordinary diversity of Tsavo's wildlife. Each has evolved unique strategies to survive and thrive, shaped by the challenges of their respective habitats. One dominates the waterways with stealth and strength. The other patrols the grasslands with agility and precision. Both are indispensable, each fulfilling a crucial ecological role that supports the balance of life in Tsavo. The continued presence of these remarkable creatures is a testament to the resilience and complexity of Tsavo's wild heart, where every adaptation tells a story of survival and every species is a vital thread in the tapestry of life. The plains zebras of Tsavo are instantly recognizable by their striking black and white stripes, a living pattern that ripples across the savannah as they move together. These stripes are more than just beautiful, they serve as a powerful defense, creating a dazzling optical illusion when zebras run as a herd, making it difficult for predators to single out an individual. Within the herd, each zebra's unique stripe pattern acts as a visual fingerprint, helping mothers and foals recognize each other amidst the chaos of the plains. Zebras are deeply social creatures, forming tight-knit groups that offer protection and companionship. Within these herds, complex social bonds are formed. Stallions defend their families fiercely, while mares groom each other, reinforcing alliances and reducing tension. Young foals play and chase, learning the skills they'll need to survive. Grazing together on the open savanna, zebras keep a constant watch for danger. While some feed, others stand alert, ears twitching and eyes scanning the horizon for lions or hyenas. This vigilance is shared among the group, ensuring that even the most vulnerable members are protected. Their diet is primarily made up of tough grasses, but zebras are adaptable feeders. In times of scarcity, they will strip bark from trees or nibble on leaves, using their strong teeth to access food that other grazers might ignore. This versatility allows them to survive even when the rains fail and the grass withers. During the dry season, zebras travel great distances to reach water, often gathering in large numbers at rivers and waterholes. Here they must remain vigilant, for predators know these places are magnets for prey. The tension is palpable as herds approach the water's edge, every sense alert to the possibility of danger lurking nearby. In the drier thickets, the elegant Gerenuk, or giraffe-necked gazelle, moves with quiet grace. With its slender legs and elongated neck, the Gerenuk stands out among the region's herbivores. Unlike most antelopes, the Gerenuk can rise up on its hind legs, stretching its body to reach tender leaves high in the acacia trees, food that is out of reach for others. This remarkable adaptation allows the Gerenuk to exploit a niche few can access, reducing competition and ensuring a steady supply of nourishment even in the harshest seasons. Gerenuks are shy and elusive, with females forming small, loose groups while males prefer a solitary existence. This separation reduces rivalry for food and mates and allows each to move quietly through the bush, avoiding the attention of predators. Their solitary or small group lifestyle, combined with their ability to feed on scattered foliage, helps them survive in areas where food is scarce and competition is fierce. Gerenuks are masters of efficiency, able to go for long periods without drinking, drawing moisture from the leaves they consume. Deep in the woodlands, the lesser kudu moves like a shadow. With striking white stripes and large, watchful eyes, this antelope is a master of camouflage, blending seamlessly into the dappled light of the bush. Lesser kudus are browsers, delicately picking leaves, fruits, and shoots from the undergrowth. Their selective feeding habits allow them to thrive in dense thickets where other grazers rarely venture. In the dry season, kudus rely on succulent leaves and shoots to provide both food and water, a vital adaptation for survival in arid landscapes where open water is scarce. When danger threatens, the lesser kudu's response is swift and spectacular. With powerful leaps, they bound through the bush, using speed and agility to evade predators. Their twisting, unpredictable movements make them difficult targets for even the most determined hunters. Their solitary habits and expert camouflage make encounters with lesser kudus rare. They move silently, melting into the shadows at the slightest hint of danger, relying on stealth rather than strength. Across the savannah and woodlands, zebras, Gerenuks and kudus share the landscape, each carving out a unique way of life. Their paths may cross at waterholes or in the cool shade of acacia trees, but each species occupies its own ecological niche, minimizing competition and allowing a rich diversity of life to flourish. The stripes of the zebra, the long neck of the Gerenuk, the stealth of the kudu, each adaptation is a testament to the challenges of survival in Tsavo. These herbivores have evolved remarkable strategies to find food, avoid predators, and endure the extremes of their environment. Their lives are woven together with those of countless other species, alert to the movements of predators, sharing grazing grounds with elephants and buffalo, and shaping the landscape through their feeding habits. In this intricate web of life, every behavior and adaptation plays a vital role in the ongoing story of Tsavo. In the golden grasslands of Tsavo, the Somali ostrich reigns as a true marvel of the wild. With its towering stature and striking blue skin, this bird is built for survival in a land where danger lurks at every turn. When threatened, the ostrich unleashes its greatest weapon, speed. In a blur of feathers and powerful strides, it can reach up to 43 miles per hour, outpacing most predators with ease. Each step is powered by muscular legs, designed not only for running but also for delivering formidable kicks if cornered. The ostrich's blue skin, especially vivid during the breeding season, signals health and vitality to potential mates, setting it apart from other ostrich species. As the ostrich forages, it adapts its diet to the shifting seasons, grazing on grasses, seeds, and even insects when food is scarce. Its keen eyesight scans the horizon, ever alert for the approach of lions or hyenas. In the open savanna, the ostrich's speed is its shield, allowing it to escape most threats before they draw near. The vivid blue of its neck and thighs becomes a beacon during courtship, a unique trait that marks the Somali ostrich as a distinct and resilient survivor in Tsavo's challenging environment. Sharing these vast plains is another icon of agility, the Thompson's gazelle, or Tommy. Small yet incredibly swift, these gazelles are among Africa's fastest land animals, capable of reaching speeds up to 50 miles per hour. Their slender bodies and long legs are perfectly engineered for rapid acceleration and sharp turns, allowing them to zigzag across the savannah and evade even the most determined predators. When danger is near, the gazelle performs a remarkable display called pronking, leaping high into the air with stiff legs. This behavior is more than a show of athleticism. It's a message to predators, signaling strength and fitness and often discouraging pursuit. In these moments, the gazelle's agility becomes its greatest defense, turning the chase into a test of endurance and skill that few predators can win. Both ostriches and gazelles are vital players in Tsavo's intricate web of life. Their speed and agility not only help them survive, but also shape the strategies of the predators that hunt them. Every sprint, every leap is part of a larger story, a constant dance of pursuit and escape that defines the rhythm of the savannah. The presence of these remarkable herbivores influences the movements of lions, cheetahs, and hyenas, creating a dynamic balance where every creature plays a role. As dawn breaks and the sun sets over Tsavo, ostriches and gazelles continue their timeless race across the plains, embodying the spirit of resilience and adaptation. Their grace and speed are woven into the very fabric of the ecosystem, ensuring that the wild heart of Tsavo beats strong and free. In this land of endless horizons, the ostrich and the gazelle stand as living testaments to the power of adaptation, their stories echoing across the savannah for generations to come. In the vast wilderness of Tsavo, the air is alive with the flutter and song of countless bird species, each weaving its own story into the fabric of the ecosystem. From the dense thickets to the open savannah, birds of every colour and size fill the landscape, their presence essential to the balance of life here. The European goldfinch, with its vibrant plumage, arrives in great flocks, painting the green canopy with flashes of gold and red. These birds are tireless foragers, delicately extracting seeds from thistles and grasses. As they feed, seeds cling to their feathers and fall to the ground, ensuring the renewal of plant life across the plains. Their nests, woven from fine grasses and lined with soft down, are hidden deep within the foliage, safe from prying eyes and sheltered from the elements. The northern cardinal, a striking figure with its brilliant red feathers, is often seen perched high in the treetops. Its clear, melodic song rings out at dawn and dusk, a signal to others of its kind and a warning to rivals. Cardinals are fiercely protective of their nests, which are carefully constructed in the fork of sturdy branches. Here they raise their young, feeding them a diet of insects and seeds. Their vigilance helps keep smaller predators at bay, and their presence adds a musical layer to the daily rhythms of Tsavo. Along the winding waterways, herons stand motionless in the shallows, their keen eyes scanning for the slightest ripple. With a sudden strike, they spear fish and amphibians, helping to keep aquatic populations in check. Their nests, built high in the reeds or in the branches of riverside trees, are platforms of sticks where their young are raised above the reach of crocodiles and other dangers. Herons often share these watery realms with pelicans, whose cooperative hunting is a marvel of instinct and coordination. Pelicans, with their expansive wings and distinctive throat pouches, glide across the water in synchronized groups. Working together, they herd schools of fish into tight clusters, then scoop them up with a single fluid motion. Their nesting colonies are bustling communities where the calls of adults and chicks mingle with the splash of water and the rustle of reeds. Nearby, flamingos gather in shimmering flocks, their pink feathers glowing in the sunlight. Flamingos wade gracefully through shallow pools, their curved beaks filtering algae and brine shrimp from the water. The pigments in their food give them their iconic hue, a living testament to the connection between diet and appearance. Their nests are simple mounds of mud rising just above the waterline, where eggs are kept safe from flooding. As they feed, flamingos help control algal blooms, keeping the water clear for other species. Across Tsavo, from the tiniest songbirds flitting through the undergrowth to the stately waders patrolling the riverbanks, each bird species plays a unique role. Some act as pollinators, transferring pollen as they feed on nectar, while others keep insect populations in check or serve as prey for larger animals. Their nesting habits are as varied as their forms. Some build intricate hanging nests, others lay eggs in simple scrapes on the ground, always adapting to the challenges of their environment. The interactions between birds and other wildlife are subtle and complex. Birds alert grazing herds to the presence of predators with their alarm calls, and some even follow large mammals, feeding on insects, stirred up by their movement. In turn, birds must remain ever watchful, as eggs and chicks are coveted by snakes, monitor lizards, and opportunistic mammals. The bird life of Tsavo is a living tapestry, each thread vital to the whole. Their songs, colours, and behaviours are woven into the daily life of the savannah, ensuring that the cycles of growth, predation, and renewal continue unbroken. In this intricate web, every bird, from the smallest finch to the grandest pelican, is both a participant and a guardian of Tsavo's wild heart. The wildlife of Tsavo faces numerous challenges, from poaching to habitat loss, making conservation efforts more critical than ever. Organizations and government bodies have implemented various strategies to protect this precious ecosystem, focusing on anti-poaching initiatives, habitat restoration, and community engagement. The success of these efforts is evident in the stabilization of elephant populations and the gradual recovery of rhinos, thanks to dedicated sanctuaries and protective measures. Education and community involvement are key components of conservation strategies in Tsavo. By raising awareness about the importance of wildlife and its role in the ecosystem, local communities are empowered to take an active role in conservation efforts. Initiatives such as ecotourism provide sustainable economic opportunities, encouraging the protection of natural resources and wildlife. The future of Tsavo's wildlife depends on continued efforts to address the challenges they face. Climate change, human-wildlife conflict, and illegal wildlife trade are ongoing threats that require innovative solutions and international cooperation. By fostering a global commitment to conservation, we can ensure that the wonders of Tsavo endure for generations to come. Preserving Tsavo is not just about protecting animals, it's about maintaining the delicate balance of a unique ecosystem that supports countless forms of life. The stories of survival, adaptation, and resilience in Tsavo inspire us to cherish and protect the natural world, reminding us of the beauty and complexity of life on Earth. As the sun sets over Tsavo, a new world awakens. The nocturnal wildlife of this vast ecosystem reveals itself, showcasing behaviors and adaptations designed for the cover of darkness. Leopards, masters of stealth, emerge from their daytime hideouts. With their keen eyesight and acute hearing, they navigate the night with unparalleled precision. These solitary hunters rely on their camouflage coats to blend seamlessly into the shadows, stalking their prey silently before launching a swift and deadly attack. Among the trees, bush babies or galagos make their presence known. These small nocturnal primates are equipped with large eyes that enhance their night vision, and their powerful hind legs allow them to leap great distances between branches. Their distinctive calls echo through the night, a reminder of the rich biodiversity hidden within the forest canopy. Owls, the silent sentinels of the night, take to the skies. With their specialized feathers that enable near-silent flight, they swoop down on unsuspecting prey with remarkable accuracy. Their exceptional hearing allows them to detect even the faintest rustle of movement below, making them formidable hunters in the darkness. The nightlife of Tsavo is a testament to the incredible adaptations that enable survival in the wild. Each creature, from the elusive leopard to the agile bush baby and the vigilant owl, plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of this nocturnal ecosystem. As dawn approaches, these nocturnal beings retreat to their shelters, concluding another night of survival and intrigue. The cycle of life in Tsavo continues, a never-ending dance of day and night, light and shadow, showcasing the resilience and beauty of nature. Water is the heartbeat of Tsavo, sustaining life in an ever-changing landscape. As dawn breaks, the rivers and waterholes become epicenters of activity, drawing creatures great and small from across the savannah. Herds of elephants approach with careful deliberation, their trunks reaching deep into the cool waters. Young calves playfully splash at the edges, while older matriarchs remain vigilant, ever watchful for lurking dangers. Zebras and antelopes, wary yet desperate for refreshment, gather in cautious groups. Each step towards the water is measured, their senses attuned to every ripple and shadow. Crocodiles, masters of patience, lie motionless beneath the surface, their eyes just above the waterline, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Birds flock to the shallows, their vibrant colors reflecting in the morning light. Storks and herons hunt for fish and amphibians, while flocks of smaller birds dip and flutter, taking quick sips before darting away. Even the elusive leopards and lions are drawn to these watering places, often lurking in the nearby brush, capitalizing on the congregation of prey. During the driest months, the competition intensifies. Migratory species travel great distances, following ancient routes etched into memory by generations. Some animals dig into the mud, searching for the last vestiges of moisture, while others time their visits to avoid the peak hours of predation. Without human interference, these natural dramas unfold in a delicate balance. Each visit to the water's edge is a moment of risk and reward, a testament to the adaptability and resilience of Tsavo's wildlife. The rivers and waterholes are not just sources of sustenance, they are the stage upon which the story of survival is written day after day. Beneath the towering acacia trees and the wide-open skies of Tsavo, a hidden world thrives, one ruled by countless tiny architects. Insects, often overlooked, are the silent engineers of the savannah. Their contributions, though small in scale, are vital to the health and balance of the ecosystem. Termites, for example, are master builders. Rising from the earth, their mounds dot the landscape, providing shelter, aerating the soil, and recycling nutrients. These structures, intricate and strong, become microhabitats for reptiles, birds, and even small mammals. Deep within, termites break down dead wood and plant material, transforming it into fertile soil that sustains new growth. Ants, with their complex societies, are both gardeners and guardians. Some species tend to aphids for sweet secretions, while others wage wars against rival colonies. Leafcutter ants march in endless lines, carrying fragments many times their own size, feeding underground fungus farms that nourish their entire colony. By dispersing seeds and preying on pests, ants shape the very fabric of Tsavo's flora. When the rains return, a burst of color fills the air as butterflies emerge. Their delicate wings shimmer in the sunlight, flitting from flower to flower. As they feed on nectar, butterflies pollinate plants, ensuring the next generation of blooms. Caterpillars in turn become food for birds and reptiles, completing a vital link in the food chain. From the industrious termite to the graceful butterfly, insects are the unseen foundation of Tsavo's wild tapestry. Their tireless work sustains the giants above, weaving together a living web that supports every creature of the savannah. Across the sprawling grasslands and dense thickets of Tsavo, a silent drama unfolds every day, a complex dance of life and death, where predator and prey are locked in an eternal contest of survival. Here, every creature is both hunter and hunted, and every adaptation is a response to the relentless pressure of natural selection. Lions, the apex predators, rely on stealth, teamwork, and raw power. They stalk herds of zebras and wildebeest using tall grasses as cover. Their hunts are calculated, often targeting the young, weak, or unwary. In response, prey species have evolved sharp senses and intricate alarm calls. Zebras, with their dazzling stripes, confuse predators in a blur of movement, while gazelles rely on incredible speed and abrupt zigzags to evade capture. Hyenas, both scavengers and skilled hunters, use stamina and social cooperation to outlast their prey. They chase down wildebeest over long distances, testing the endurance of their quarry. Meanwhile, wildebeest herds move in tight formations, their numbers providing safety in chaos, and their constant vigilance keeping predators at bay. Crocodiles lurk silently in rivers and waterholes, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Their ambush tactics are countered by the wariness of antelope and zebras, who approach water cautiously, eyes and ears alert for the slightest ripple. Even smaller predators like jackals and servals use agility and cunning to outmaneuver their prey, while rodents and birds employ camouflage and rapid escapes to survive another day. In Tsavo, every adaptation is met with a counter: speed with stealth, strength with strategy, vigilance with deception. This endless interplay shapes not only individual lives, but the very structure of the ecosystem itself. It is a delicate balance maintained through countless generations in the wild heart of Tsavo. As we delve deeper into the heart of Tsavo, we encounter not just the vibrant wildlife, but the equally fascinating world of flora. Tsavo's plant life is as diverse and resilient as its animal inhabitants, forming the very foundation of this thriving ecosystem. Acacia trees, with their thorny branches and wide canopies, are a common sight. These trees have evolved to survive the harsh, arid conditions with deep roots that tap into underground water sources. Their leaves provide essential nutrients for herbivores like giraffes and elephants, while their thorns deter overgrazing, maintaining a delicate balance. The baobab tree, often referred to as the tree of life, stands as a testament to nature's ingenuity. Its massive water-storing trunk allows it to endure long periods of drought. Baobabs offer shelter and food for a myriad of species, from birds nesting in its branches to elephants feasting on its bark. Grasses, though often overlooked, play a crucial role in Tsavo's ecosystem. The savanna grasses are specially adapted to withstand grazing and fire. Their rapid regrowth ensures a constant food supply for herbivores like zebras and wildebeest, which in turn support the predators that hunt them. Shrubs and smaller plants, such as the comifera and euphorbia species, add to the rich tapestry of Tsavo's flora. These plants often have unique adaptations, like succulent leaves or toxic sap, to deter herbivores and conserve water. They provide shelter and food for smaller creatures, creating microhabitats within the larger ecosystem. Throughout Tsavo, each plant species contributes to the overall health and stability of the environment. Trees and shrubs prevent soil erosion, grasses support herbivores, and flowering plants attract pollinators. Together, they form a complex web of life, where every element is interconnected. In this green heart of Tsavo, the flora not only sustains the fauna but also shapes the very landscape itself. It is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life, thriving in harmony with the challenges of the wild.